students, after a long time we are going to start our studies, Roman numerals, the new chapter. Already you have learned about this in the previous classes. Still, let us know what is Roman numerals. Okay, everywhere in different countries, in different places, they used a different number system, isn't it? So even in India we use Hindu Arabic number system, isn't it? What we are using now. Okay, what we are using now? We are using 0 to 9 counting numbers. With that numbers we put front and back, something here and there. According to the place value we arrange it and we follow that number system, isn't it? So this Roman numerals originated in Rome, ancient Rome. Okay, this remained in Europe countries. Okay, this remained in Europe countries. They followed Latin alphabets to make this number system. Okay, they followed Latin alphabets. Okay, like our the English alphabets A to Z, like they followed Latin alphabets. Okay, now let's go in detail study. Already many things I taught you in 3rd standard, but still let me know how much you have learned. So first question is, how many symbols are there in Roman numerals? Do you remember? How many symbols are there in Roman numerals? 7. 7 symbols are there in Roman numerals. What are those? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the 7 symbols used in Roman numerals. Only 7. Even in our Hindu Arabic system we use 10. Okay, we use 10 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, till there we use. When for 10 we use 1 and 0. Okay, then according to the place value we write the numbers, but the basic numbers 0 to 9. But here they use only 7 symbols. Okay, they use 7 symbols. In the previous classes you have learned what are the values of these symbols. Okay, so now what is the value for I? 1 and 5, 10, 50, for C 100, for D 500, for M 1000. Okay, these are the values for these symbols. You have learned this one already in the previous classes. Okay, in the previous classes I taught you main 4 rules also. Okay, these things you have to remember. Even when we write our Hindu Arabic system, we follow place value system. Without place value system we cannot write the numbers. We cannot write the numbers. The same thing, instead of place value, here they are giving 4 rules. Only 4 rules. Just you have to follow those 4 rules, then you can easily write it. Okay. The first rule, many of you may know. The first rule, you cannot repeat any number more than 3 times. You cannot repeat any symbol more than 3 times. But in Hindu Arabic system it's not like that. As many times we need to write, we can write it. Okay, but here only we can repeat 3 times continuously. That word you have to remember. Continuously. लगातार 3 बार. अगर नहीं है बीच में और कुछ आ रहा है, then you can continue. Okay, but continuously you cannot repeat more than 3 times. Okay, continuously you cannot repeat continuously more than 3 times. But in between some other things are coming, you can write it. Okay, For example, if I am writing this one like this, 10, then 10, 10, then 30. This is 30. Continuously here I have written. Continuously here I have written. But see here, 1, 2, 3. Now what is this? 10, 10, 10, 30, and this is 9, 39. But here x 4 times come. Isn't it? See? 4 times I have written x. But it is not written continuously. But it is not written continuously. That you have to remember. Okay? When any symbol written continuously more than 3 times, that is wrong. If it is not written continuously, then it's okay. Okay? This is also correct because it's not written continuously. In between I is coming. Okay? And in this, one more rule is there. In these 7 symbols, 3 symbols we cannot repeat. We cannot repeat, we cannot subtract. Okay? 3 symbols. That let me take out separately. Let me circle it separately. V, L, D. This 5, 50, 500. 5, 50, 500. This cannot be repeated. This cannot be subtracted from any number. Okay? These 3 symbols cannot be repeated, cannot be subtracted. They are special. So these 3 numbers, it is easy for you to remember 5, 50, 500. 5, 50, 500. Okay? These 3 symbols you have to remember. These 3 symbols cannot be repeated, cannot be subtracted even. Okay? So the first rule, I hope so, you have understood better. Okay? Now the second rule is, whenever we want to make large numbers, okay, we have 7 symbols. These 7 symbols can be put in front or back or आगे पीछे कहीं लगाना है तभी तो नंबर्स बड़ा बनेगा, है कि नहीं? लेकिन यहाँ आगे पीछे लगाने के लिए प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम तो है नहीं, तो यहाँ आगे पीछे लगाने के लिए रूल्स हैं. आगे पीछे लगाने के लिए रूल्स हैं. Okay, so if you are writing left to a large number, if you are writing left to a large number, that must be subtracted. The third rule is, if you are writing right to the large numbers, that must be added. Okay, got that? Left to that large number should be subtracted. Right to the large numbers should be added. For example, very simple way, you can have the examples. Very simple. When you write 4, 1 is written this side. That means it is subtracted. From 5, 1 is subtracted so that you are getting 4. So, okay, this 5 is larger than I. Okay, from this large number, here left side I is written, so it is subtracted. Have you got that? This is the second rule. Okay, while subtracting also I said these 5, 50, 500 VLD cannot be subtracted. Cannot be subtracted. Okay, then the third rule is, the number, the symbol which is written right to the large number, right side, which is written right to the large number is added. Plus करना है. अगर लेफ्ट साइड में नंबर पहले ही, लार्ज नंबर के पहले ही जो लिखा है उसके साथ उसका लिखा है, तो उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? माइनस करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद में लिखा है, जो नंबर लार्ज नंबर के बाद कोई छोटा नंबर लिखा है उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? प्लस करके लिखना पड़ेगा. समझ में आ रही है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी कैन गिव मेनी एग्जाम्पल्स. I am writing here 9. Okay, see 10, from 10 1 is subtracted, and I am writing here, what is this, 40. From 50 I have subtracted 10. From 50 I have subtracted 10, so it is 40. From 50 here I am adding 10, 10, 50. Right to the number is written right to the large number. 50 is the large number, 50 large बड़ा नंबर है, तो उसका राइट साइड में 2x लिखा है, तो इसलिए 50, 60, 70 इट इज एडेड. बात समझ में आ रही है? कोई भी बड़ा नंबर के राइट साइड में जो लिखते हैं हम उसको प्लस करते हैं. कोई भी बड़ा नंबर के लेफ्ट साइड के कोई सिंबल्स लिखते हैं तो हम उसको माइनस करते हैं. बात समझ में आ रही है? वन मोर थिंग, one main thing I told you, that is VLD, 550, 500. These three symbols cannot be repeated, cannot be subtracted. And one more thing you have to remember, this I should be subtracted from X and V, not from any other large number. Not from any other large number. For example, now see here, if 50 is written, okay, I am writing here 1, I, okay, this cannot be written 49, ये गलत है. This 49 must be written 40 and 9. This is 49. This is the correct one. This is the correct one. But this one is wrong, because I should be subtracted from X and V. I should be subtracted from X and V, not from any other symbol. Not from any other symbol. For example, one more let me tell you. This 100, if I am writing I here, this cannot be said 99. ये गलत है. 99 means you have to write 90, then 9. This is the correct one. Have you got it? This is 99. 100 से 10 को माइनस किया तो 90 हो गया. 90 के साथ 9 लिख के प्लस करना, लेकिन 100 से सीधे 1 लिख के माइनस नहीं कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि दिस इज ऑल्सो अ रूल. 1 should be subtracted from V and X, not from any other symbol. L से नहीं माइनस करना, C से नहीं हो सकता, D से नहीं हो सकता, M से नहीं हो सकता. बात समझ में आ गया? So now the first rule, again I am repeating, we cannot repeat any symbol more than 3 times continuously. Okay, continuously, that word you have to remember. The second one, the number, the symbol which is written left to the large number should be subtracted. The third one, the number which is the symbol which is written right to the large symbol, right to the large number, should be added. Okay, now fourth one is fourth one. Now you have learned, if any large number is there, if right side or left side, you can just discuss. If 2 large numbers are there, in between one small number is there, now what we supposed to do? We have the doubt, isn't it? 2 large numbers are there, in between one small number is there. Now what to do? For example, here you see X and V. Okay, here I. Here if you see, this one X is larger than I, V is larger than I, है ना? ये X जो है I से बड़ा है, V भी I से बड़ा है, लेकिन अब ये I को x के साथ प्लस करें या b के साथ माइनस करें, क्या करें, है ना, ये सोचने वाली बात है ना। तो ऐसे कोई बात है, द थिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इज just the following number, you have to subtract the small number to the just following large number, just following large number। इसके just आगे जो नंबर है उसको देखना है, पीछे वाले नंबर नहीं, ठीक है, उसका जस्ट आगे जो नंबर है उसको देखना है। इसका जस्ट आगे b है तो इसलिए इसको क्या माना जाएगा, 4, ये 10, तो हो गया 14। बात समझ में आ रही है, ठीक है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल c I x, now this one I should be subtracted from x, उसका जस्ट आगे वाले नंबर x है तो इसलिए उसके साथ हम करें, उसके साथ हम उससे सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, लेकिन c के साथ उसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है। जस्ट फॉलोइंग लार्ज नंबर्स, you have to subtract that small number from the just following large numbers। बात समझ में आ गया। तो ये i को x से माइनस करके तो 109 बोलना है। बात समझ में आ रही है सबको, ठीक है। these 4 rules are necessary, these 4 rules are important, okay। listen to this video again and again so that you get clear idea about Roman numerals. These rules are very important. Okay? Thank you.